Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so I finally was able to pick up the drill bits I need to drill the holes for the tips. I'm using a test block here to figure out which one will work the best. I think it's going to be the slightly bigger one, but we're going to drill some holes and we're going to see which one's going to work better. Okay, yeah. That one, if I wasn't sealing them, that one would probably work. But let's go with the slightly larger size. I'm just going to drill the same hole out. Dead battery. What? All right. Fresh battery. Okay, let's try another tip here.
Kyle, this is gonna be loud.
What?
It's their snowsuits.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
What were you recording?
I'm still recording. Drilling the holes for the tips.
Well, tell me.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Be right back. Okay. So I'm having to kind of sand down the tips here so that they fit. Because I don't know that I'm actually gonna be able to find a drill bit that's the right size to give me the fit I want. So, okay. So, what the plan is gonna be is I'm gonna take one of the pins, I don't know which one I'm gonna do, and drill the hole, and I'm gonna get the tip fit to it. And then I don't think I'm gonna worry about actually sealing inside the tip hole. Yeah, tip hole. Because with as tight as it fitted as it is, and the little flange you have here, that should be enough to keep the wood inside protected. So I'm gonna pick out a pin, we're gonna drill the hole, get this fit to it, and then tonight's diamond painting, I am going to use that pin and see how it feels. So I'll be right back. Alright, so we're gonna go with, this is what I'm calling the branch pin with the straightener. So I'm gonna do this one just because this one I have the I'm the most skeptical about, I guess, and it'll be a single placer tip, obviously. So let's drill our hole and see if we can get the tip fit in there. Okay, actually I think I'm going to all right, so let's get this centered. Looks centered to me. Okay.
When did you put the dishwasher?
This morning.
Honestly.
Okay, that fit in there nicely. No, it's a little off center, but if I like the feel, I'll go and sand that down so it's a little bit more centered. But let's so as I said, I'm gonna use this in tonight's diamond painting video. See how it feels. It is very, very light. So anyways, yeah, so we'll see how that goes, and I will do a short of my thoughts like halfway through or so of working on it. So thank you for watching this quick update. I do have more tips on order. Those should be here Wednesday, I think. So as soon as I get those, I'll get the other pins finished, and then we'll get them all sealed. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this quick little update video, and we will see you in the next one. Thank you.
I don't know yet. I'm trying to.
Okay, so finished recording this video earlier, and probably an hour or two later, the tips show up. So, going to get these installed, and tonight, instead of using just the one pen, I'm going to try them all. So, let's make some holes. So I'm using the screw to shed some light on the situation. Alright, so the screw I'm using just to kind of get an idea of the hole. Make sure it's centered. Then I'm using the screwdriver to make that hole a little bit bigger, so that the drill bit doesn't walk. Basically what walking means is I want the hole here, but as I pull the trigger on the drill, it moves. It walks from where I want the hole. So that's what I'm doing with the screwdriver. And if these are a little bit off center, like I said, I'll center them back up with a little bit of sanding. So that one's already got the prep holes in there. Okay. All right. Yeah, that one's gonna need a little bit of centering done. Like that.
Kyle.
It's got a different jingle all the way.
Bells.
Man, this is some hard wood.
Let's count them.
Yeah, that one's definitely gonna need to be centered up a little bit more.
Daddy, is that the zebra pen?
No, it's a chocolate pen.
I just, why do you call it chocolate pen?
Kind of look like chocolate.
No, looks like poop.
Excuse me, get out of here.
Oh my gosh, that timing is like perfect.
What? What timing?
Of the song.
Oh. Just like its length and where it ends and stops. And same thing. All right. Drill us some holes. Oh. Oh, that is walking terribly.
Daddy,
Hmm.
what are you doing for the...
Hot water's ready. I'll be right back. All right. So, got holes drilled in them all. I'm realizing oh, missed the hole. Missed the hole.
You missed the hole, Daddy? What happened? What happened, Daddy?
Oh, I just forgot to drill.
Daddy! 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 Daddy, did you forget to do Daddy?
All right, there
Daddy,
we go.
can I stick this through it?
No, it's not all the way through.
I know I want to stick it
No.
through.
Move.
See, I want
Move. All right. That is way off center. And a little crooked. A little better. There we go. Oh, it's straight that way. Not exactly centered, but I can fix that. All right. And this one did it too. It's like kind of like a bubble spot. That's weird. All right. So that was the circle pen, as so named by my daughter. This is the Cheeto dust pen. Gotta sand this down a little bit. A little bit more. May need to make the hole deeper. I'll clean that up later. There we go.
Mom, you done, Daddy?
Just a little bit.
Okay.
Somebody wants back in.
Oh, see you at the door.
Zoe.
Zoe, come get your shoes, please.
They're dirty now.
You can put them inside. I don't want ice or snow getting in them, please.
Okay. Well, it's in there, but I gotta sand this flat to straighten it out. So, but we'll get a feel for it, see how it feels.
Are you cooking dinner?
And I asked you to take care of those boxes and stuff out there.
Me?
Yes, you're doing recycling. Right? Can you please put the bag, Bentley's dog food bag, in the trash? And I think somebody's gonna have to help you put the other one away.
What? What?
go.
The box, Zoe.
All right.
No, the big box. Two box out there. Thank you.
It's definitely gonna need some sanding. Oh yeah.
Kyle, she might need help
Okay.
breaking down those boxes.
Ooh, that's gonna take a lot of sanding. That's a tight hole. And that's the coffee.